What's going on, guys? Hunter Robinson here, back again with another episode of the Perfect Cast. We just got out here hoping for a really good night. We got a storm on the way all weekend, so Meat, he's over there. We just got the rods in up here at our honey hole. My buddy Fink.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, man, hoping to crush it. We're gonna see what happens. Anyways, before we get into this, please smash that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's get after it. Aye.
Dude, somebody gotta get the GoPro out. Where's the GoPro? Oh, that's another one.
Seems all right. Dude, he nailed that.
He's hungry, boss.
Keep his rod on. This is crazy, bro. I didn't even shoot the intro yet.
Oh, that's a nice channel.
Is it a Chan?
No, that's a fatty.
I was about to say, what? He's little.
I got bait on my line. I'm trying to get him in the water before he dies.
He's little, but he's number one of the night.
Oh, yeah. He's a good 8-pounder.
Yeah.
There you go.
Sweet.
Good?
Yep. Dude, look at that. He's missing an eye.
What? Fighting.
What's up with his eye there? Oh, I guess that is his eye. That's weird. I don't know. That's number one. Right away. Not even what, 5 minutes?
Not even. Well, you would have had one earlier, but...
Number one of the night, baby. Aye! Yeah, that's awesome. We got to get this guy back, though. Get back in the water. Dude, that's a weird... He's like stiff, dude. He's kind of weird. Yeah. All right, we're going to put him back.
Hold on, that's me on your other rod.
Dude, he's like clamped down on my hand. That guy was kind of odd. Go that way, dude.
I can't get this thing.
Yeah, I told you, man. They're hard to...
He's on there.
Yep. Grab the net, Bubba.
I don't think it's big though. This is a tiny little piece of cut bait. It could be a channel rat.
Yep.
Gotta keep an eye on mine.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a decent one.
Yeah,
That's a flatty.
it is a flatty. Number two flat of the night.
That's a good 10-pounder.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 8 to 10.
Oh,
Sorry. That's alright.
there we go. We got it under control, Bubba.
Oh yeah, you say 8 to 10.
You think?
Oh yeah.
We got eyes?
He's got eyes.
I don't even think my GoPro turned on.
Dude, look at that hook set. You barely had him.
I did, dude. Well, yeah,
Look
it's
at
'cause
that.
of the way the rod is.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Dude, you barely had him in there.
Dude, them trip. Yeah, dude, that other fish was blind. I told you, bro. He didn't have eyes or anything.
He's 8 pounds.
Yeah, he's a nice boy. Yeah, that's a good looking flatty there.
Yeah.
That's a really
Nice
nice.
stuff on him.
Yeah, that's a good looking flatty. Number two of the night. This one is not blind and locking down on my hand. So, yeah, we're gonna put him back. Nice looking boy though, for real. Love it.
Keep him coming.
Yep, keep him coming. That's number two. He's out of
He
here.
ain't even been here an hour yet.
Nope. You're not kidding. Little piece of cut bait there. I'm gonna put another piece of cut on here. Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah, he's still there.
Hog.
Yeah.
We're on now. I gotta grab the light. Fink's on, baby. Fink's on.
Oh, he's coming in too easy.
Is he? Running at you.
I don't know. Nice little channel.
Maybe he's not a little channel.
I think he
It's probably a flathead, dude.
No, it's a channel.
Is it?
Yeah, it's fighting like a channel. Where's he at?
I don't see him yet.
Right there.
That's a flathead.
Little channel.
No, that's a flat,
Oh,
dude.
Yeah, that's a flathead.
Little flat.
Another one.
That's cool though.
There's some cut.
Let's go. Want some cut bait, baby? Woo-hoo! Oh.
They're all about that size there tonight.
Yeah, I know. That's cool though. Nice hook job there, buddy. That's another pretty looking one.
Yeah, they're not beat up here. Oh yeah,
That's a real nice one, man. Close look at that guy, man. Beautiful flat.
yeah, he is.
I love him, man.
Next year he's gonna be twice as big.
Yeah, he is. Be a monster. That's number 3 landed tonight.
Yeah,
That's a beautiful fish though, man.
there we go.
Look at his tail. What's he got, like black?
Yeah,
Yeah.
there we go.
Man. Sweet, man.
Little guy.
Yep. Hey.
Where's Grandpa at?
Yeah, exactly.
Go tell him to bite.
Still fun. Get him back in there. Number 3, baby. Snite's been being good to us. Woo, woo. Oh, that's pretty cool. See ya, bud.
No way. Yep, no way. No way, baby. Let's go. Feels like a decent fish, too. Yeah. Well, now he doesn't. He did there for a second. Yeah, we did. It is fun. He feels better. Yeah. He's not some tiny little guy. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't cast that one out yet. Dude, this actually is a decent fish. Yeah. Wonderful way. Oh! Channel. Is that a channel? No, that's a flat. Is it? Yeah. Woo! Woo! That's a 10-pounder, right? Yeah. I still got my bait too. Let's go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Woohoo! All right, baby. That's number 4, bro. We're in the bank tonight, dude. That's a better one. Dude, as soon as you threw it out. Yeah. Dude, that's definitely a better fish. Oh yeah, we're getting better. We're getting hungrier. Dude. Don't show anybody else the way.
No, I ain't.
How we cut them up.
Yeah, that's a better
yeah.
boy there. My GoPro ain't turning on.
The battery's charged now.
Yeah. Definitely a better boy there though. Number 4 of the night. Check him out. Woohoo! Down his mouth. Love to see it. Anyways, number 4 of the night. I'm loving it, man.
Yeah.
A lot of action. What do you think?
Yep.
That's a beautiful fish, man. Beautiful fish. He is a decent boy.
Yeah, look at him. Look at the colors on him.
Yeah. That's so cool, man. All right, we're gonna get him back. And I still got my bait. That's even better.
I'm gonna paint my truck that color.
Yeah, there you go. All right, buddy. Thank you for biting. Ran into the
This
bank.
one's going.
Huh? Was it?
It looked like that one was going there for a minute.
I don't know. Something's. Oh my God. We're on. Dude, he took it. He jumped my rod, bro. Are you kidding me?
Put that one back in there. I'll get the net.
This actually feels like a decent fish.
Don't let him get on.
I'm not. I got him, bro. This actually feels like a decent fish.
He's fighting like one.
Yeah. I mean, he took my rod down. Not that it was secured that well, but.
Oh yeah. This guy feels like he has some weight, man. For sure. Oh yeah. I think he did look really nice. Oh yeah. This is that other. This is still that cup thing. Like, yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Some feisty fellas, man. That's another good fish, man. That water's getting cold. They need to start. Yeah, we gotta start
That's number 5 on the bank, baby. Let's go. What an evening, dude. What an evening, bro.
No monsters, but they're
No monsters, but I tell you what, man. What a blast.
I'll take it for Friday for.
Dude, still got my bait. I might as well throw that back out there.
It's good luck. Bring you luck this way.
Dude, I honestly think he might have been on there for a little bit.
Maybe.
Yeah, I mean,
Just was sitting there with the bait.
yeah.
Heck yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Still got some fight in it.
Yeah, he does. Wow. What a fish, man. What a fighter. That's number 5 on the bank tonight. We still got some bait. We're gonna stay here till we run out, but that's awesome, man. Love to see it. Beautiful flat again. Check that old boy out there.
Still got the bait.
Still got the bait. I'm just gonna send that back out.
Send it.
That's number 5, baby. We're gonna let him go. Love him. Another nice color, you know, Fink?
Yeah.
Awesome colors. I don't know what's up with this piece, man, but they like it.
I think I'm gonna cut that next one up and I'm gonna send it out.
Yeah, dude, do it. Let's try and get. See ya. Dude, look at these things, man. Trying to get out of here too. Guys are rough and rowdy up here, baby. I like it. Aye. Keep them good, meat. Keep them good, baby. Let's go. Don't fight him too hard, okay? Let him run if he wants to run. Whatever, you know what I mean? Let's go. This could be number 6. We can't lose him. The cameraman, baby. Let's go. Is he pretty nice?
Too bad.
Oh.
Oh, that's a nice.
Oh, that's a channel, bro. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Dude, that is a big chan. Let's go, bro. Pound that. Dude, that's a monster chan. Oh my gosh, dude. Good hook job, too. You're like, so he took you in a snag?
No, I was just reeling in.
Dude, that is a big
That's
chan.
I was just reeling in just to reel it in.
That's a channel.
I got to get my grippers, bro. I want to pick him up. Because, dude, they have crazy sharp teeth.
Okay.
Reach in his mouth once. Feel his teeth compared to the flatheads.
Let's move him over.
Yeah, I'm going to grab it. Bring him down here by the... Dude, I'm not even going to lie. I kind of want to weigh that chan. All right, bring that guy over here. Yeah, bring him right here. Let's... That's good. Yep. Oop. Take a look-see at him here. Let me get the grippers in him.
He's 8 pounds.
Dude, that's a good chan, bro.
Heck yeah.
Jeez.
That's the type that wins competitions.
Yeah. There it is. Wow. That's honestly a beaut, bro. Here, let me see your phone. You hold them up with them grippers. Meat. With the chan, baby. Woo! Yeah. That is a nice one, dude.
Heck yeah.
That's an awesome
Turn 'em
channel, bro.
sideways.
Yeah, pick up. Yeah, grab his tail.
Or turn them like.
Check that, dude. That's awesome, bro. That's a great channel cat. Sweet. All right.
Weigh him?
Yeah, I'm gonna weigh him quick. I just want to see what he weighs.
He's 8 pounds.
Probably.
We're down to 9.
Yeah, seriously. I think that's gonna do it.
Crazy thing is, I was just reeling in.
I know. That
Got
is-
into a snag. Got out of the snag, and then as soon as I got out,
10,
Oh, he's
5.
10. 5, dude.
No way.
Yeah.
Wow.
10.48, bro. That's a big channel, dude.
Yeah. Look at the head on him.
That's awesome. Alrighty. You want to release him or you just want me to let him go?
you can let him go.
That's crazy, bro. That's awesome.
Yeah.
What
That's
a nice fish.
Look how fat he is.
That is a fat.
I should take him home and eat him.
Yeah, seriously, dude.
He'd make nice fillets.
That is
Look
just.
at all the spots on him, though.
I
You see
know.
it? Look on his belly. His belly's even worse.
Oh, yeah, dude.
What is that? Look how fat he is.
Yeah, dude. That's a really nice fish. I would not have minded catching that fish, bro. That's a good one. Look at this dude. Hold on, buddy. All right. There you go. Nope, other way. Turn around. There you go. See ya, buddy. Let's go. Number 6 on the bank, baby. What a night, bro. Well, that's gonna do it. Amazing night on the bank. 6 fish landed. We honestly should have had like 10 or 11. What do you think?
Something like that. It was crazy.
That was crazy. Storms coming in, like I said, storms all weekend. I don't know. It just really woke the fish up, man. They were very active tonight. So yeah. Anyways, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Also, if you want to see more fishing content, please hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you watching. Till next time. Aye.